Hello everyone, I am back with tracking my spending using a budget spending tracker notebook. First, I would like to point out that we provide simple and easy instructions on how to use this notebook to keep track, as well as a receipt holder in the back just in case you are eligible for a refund next year during income tax season. First, I will write out the dates to remind myself of when I spend my money. Next, I will write out all specific descriptions of where the transactions were spent. Then I will write out the amounts to keep up with my transactions. Lastly, I will bubble in either cash or a card to confirm what payment method I use, but will not be shown due to privacy purposes. I just want to update you guys on how much I have earned so far with the receipt hog, which happens to be 1,015 points. I do have enough to redeem cash through PayPal, Visa, or Amazon, but instead I'm allowing it to build up. Every time I upload receipts, I receive free spins on the hog slots. This week they gave me 5. Don't forget to use my code to earn yourself 5 free spins once you take a picture of your very first receipt. Happy budgeting, everyone. And that is simply it, you guys. Stay tuned with more updates.